INA's Executive Director Paul Barker says the restructure process will not necessarily mean that employees of Petromin and IPBC will be jobless. Nearly all line staff will be shifted into the new Kumul entities once created. However, management roles are subject to scrutiny and may affect boards of some state entities. He said the particular creation of IPBC was Sir Mekere Morauta's initiative, with the process of ensuring state enterprises had boards and management roles recruited through a transparent process. However, that hasn't been the case for some time now.
There were concerns that some of the changes that occurred subsequently, although they were highlighted as being putting all these top-notch people in, some of them looked like the same people, and some of them didn't frankly look that top-notch at all. They look more like people who've got the in with some of the political leaders. So hopefully that's not an indication of what happens in future, and hopefully the management. And again, what happened to some extent was a number of those appointments were being made outside the IPBC roles.
This has undermined the role of IPBC. Barker says the restructure intends to address such serious flaws and enforce good governance and proper management to allow huge returns of state assets. And questions regarding the government's budget allocation for 2013 are surfacing. However, Treasury Minister Don Pollier says the changes just might have minimal impact on the budget allocation for 2013. This is subject to whether or not the government pumps further capital into the Kumul entities.
See, it's very difficult to answer that question because what the government has done is announce a way forward in principle as to better managing the proceeds from the extractive industry and also proceeds from the state investments.
Meanwhile, Petromin's outgoing Managing Director and CEO Joshua Kalino is in the interest of the government's decision to rationalize state mining and petroleum assets. In a media statement issued Monday evening, Kalino said his resignation was due to personal reasons and nothing to do with the government's prerogative. Festus Maiganap, National MTV News.